Cryptocurrencies have given us a reason to dream. This new asset class has enabled the creation of decentralized financial services that are accessible by all. It has also made it easier than ever before to create your own cryptocurrency and other blockchain-based initiatives. One of the easiest ways to generate passive income from cryptocurrencies is through NFT, non-fungible token, projects. These are digital assets that can be traded for other tokens, but whose internal design cannot be changed or duplicated by anyone else. Because of this, they are not considered as securities in most cases and can be used for many different types of investment opportunities which come with higher returns compared to stocks and bonds from a more traditional financial vehicle. Here's a look at some passive income NFT projects you could invest in. How to create passive income with non-fungible tokens. While there are many ways to create a passive income with cryptocurrencies, we can also examine some of the unique use cases of non-fungible tokens. If you want to learn more about this new asset class and how it can be used for a passive income, here are some insights. Non-fungible tokens are digital assets that are used for the trading of other assets, but whose internal design cannot be changed or duplicated by anyone else. This includes the blockchain technology that underlies them. The best example of this is the trading of unique collectibles, like baseball cards or other items that you can't get duplicated easily. In this case, you'll need to buy the item first and then try to find someone who wants to trade it. Other types of assets that can be traded with non-fungible tokens include stocks and concert tickets. This is all made possible by a key innovation in the blockchain space: the creation of smart contracts. Stocks. Stocks is a prediction market platform that is powered by blockchain technology and NFTs. Users can create predictions about future events like the outcome of sporting matches or political elections, and then share these via betting contracts. Participants can then collect rewards depending on how well their predictions do, thereby creating a decentralized and transparent market for predictions across a wide variety of events. Stocks is built on a decentralized platform that allows you to create your own bets on future events or outcomes. You can create any type of bet, from sports to politics or even weather events. You can choose to bet on one or many outcomes at once, creating options for anyone who wants to bet on multiple outcomes. Stocks has a built-in prediction market that rewards users for predicting outcomes, a peer-to-peer betting system that matches users, and a reward system designed to drive market liquidity. Bitforex. Bitforex is a cryptocurrency trading platform that offers a wide range of investment products. It is powered by automated trading software that allows users to place trades as soon as they get filled with a specified amount of tokens. This is possible because of the platform's hybrid investment model that combines both automated trading and human oversight. Bitforex also offers a large range of cryptocurrency-linked products. Its customers can invest in a variety of NFT products, including equity-backed tokens that offer exposure to listed companies. This includes its equity token, which is backed by real company shares. Trading equity-backed tokens lets you own part of a listed company and earn dividends based on its performance. DragonChain. DragonChain is a blockchain-powered platform that enables companies to easily create their own digital assets and issue them onto a decentralized network. This includes a wide range of assets like equity-backed tokens, assets that represent real-world objects, or assets that represent trademarks or other forms of intellectual property. You can also create your own decentralized marketplace that brings together buyers and sellers of digital products. They can then transact and trade using DragonChain's blockchain-based technology, helping to keep transactions immutable and secure. Ethercash. Ethercash is a blockchain-based platform that aims to improve the efficiency of the energy market by incentivizing market players to participate in reliable offshore energy trading. It does this by creating an ecosystem based around its own ERC-20 token, the ERC-20. ERC-20 tokens represent energy units and also act as a tool to enable trading between different markets. The company offers a range of services that support the trading of its own ERC-20 token, such as a platform for offshore energy trading that helps to connect buyers and sellers. Everus. Everus is a blockchain-based platform that helps users to create their own crypto assets and issue them onto the blockchain. It is built on a system of smart contracts that automatically executes the rules of an asset, such as creating tokens that represent real-world assets like shares in a company or debt obligations. It also provides a number of tools to help users to manage their assets, such as an equity tracking system that keeps track of the ownership of tokens. Users can also create provably fair gambling games that are backed by tokens on this blockchain-based platform. Final thoughts. Cryptocurrencies have opened the door to financial opportunities that were previously only available to a select few. The power of blockchain technology has made it possible for anyone to create their own cryptocurrency and issue their own tokens. These are known as non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. This new asset class is currently unregulated and comes with a number of risks, but also significant rewards. If you want to get started creating your own passive income with NFTs, it's a good idea to learn more about this new asset class and how it can be used for a passive income.